In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI for one-click designs. So first head over to Canva AI. The next is select design from the text box and start adding your prompt like this. So here, just choose the category on where you plan to use it, like social media, presentation, marketing, cards and invitations, and a lot more. Then click on the next button or submit button to start generating. With one click, Canva will generate multiple ready-made design options for you. Just choose the one that you like best, and from there add it to your design and customize everything like text. And you can also change some colors, replace some images, and adjust the layout to match your style. Now, if you want more options, just click Regenerate or type in a new prompt, and Canva will create new variations instantly. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!